Hey all, it's James here from Tech Expertise, the go-to channel for AI-powered web design advice. In this quick video, I'm going to give you a special Durable.co promo code that gives you 30% off your plan and show you how to use it. Let's get to it. Click the special link in the video description. Because we're an affiliate partner of Durable.co, we get access to special links that let our community access the platform at a lower cost. You'll find one of these in the video description, and the first thing you'll need to do is click it. This will take you to Durable.co, where you now need to click the Generate Your Website button. Describe your business. Next, you'll need to describe your business. You'll see a drop-down menu asking, what type of business are you building? For this example, I'm picking career coaching as the option. Durables A. I will use this information to generate a custom website for you. Don't worry about being too detailed. You can always refine things later. Choose your business location. The next step asks where your business is located. I'm picking USA as I'm from the USA. Enter the name of your business. Simply type in the name you've chosen for your business. Wait for your website to be created. In a few seconds, your website will be created and ready. Once Durable has generated your initial site, take some time to customize it. You can adjust colors, fonts, add your own images, and tweak the AI-generated content. Upgrade your plan. If everything looks okay and you'd like to go ahead and upgrade, click the Upgrade button. Pick the plan you'd like to use and then proceed to payment. Use the discount code. When paying for your plan, simply enter the GO30 promo code at checkout. This will give you 30% off your chosen plan. Please note, however, that when you use this code, we may get a commission. And that's it. You now have 30% off Durable.co and a professional AI-generated website. Please do like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notifications bell for more AI web design tips and promo codes. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. We read them all, and we'll do our best to help.